And there's so many things, if you think about it, that you completely accept like it is. If you look around you where you sit right now, there's so many things that you allow to be the way that they are, that they don't need to change or anything. I just got a bouquet of flowers from my neighbor, and I can let that bouquet of flowers just be as it is. I have no wish for it to bloom right now or for it to change. I have a glass of water here. I can let the glass of water just be the glass of water. So there's so many things that we can allow to be as they are. If you look around you, take a look. What around you can you allow to be the way that they are, where nothing needs to happen, nothing needs to change, it's completely fine the way it is. The chair, anything that you have around you, where you can create this, you're not creating the space, you already have the space for it to be the way that it is, that nothing needs to happen, nothing needs to change. And just in the same manner, you can do that with you, that there can be an allowing of what surfaces. When I say I am aware that when I say you and I hope that you are aware that it's just for us to be able to have a conversation. There is no you and I. It's going to be a linguistic nightmare if every time I want to say you, I say there's someone believing itself as you. Just linguistic nightmare. So therefore, I am saying you and I. But I hope that you understand that it's just to make conversation easier. So all the things that you identify as you, as part of yourself, is a reflection of a thought, and that identifying is holding you back in actually experiencing the moment. If you think about it, how many times have you had a feeling that you really want to do that, but then your mind goes, but no, it's not really possible, we can't really do that, it's also maybe tomorrow, it's better to do it later. And then you have dismissed that initial urge that you had, they really wanted to do something. I'm not saying that what you then really wanted to do, if that was the right thing to do, because there is no right or wrong. I'm just talking about having that initial feeling of, yeah, I want to do that. And then for some reason you have held yourself back. The reason why we hold ourselves back is the identifying, that we want others or ourselves, let's take others first, we want others to perceive us differently than we perceive that part of us that we don't want. So if I want you to like me, then I am changing the things about me that I don't like, because I project that into you. And that is where I'm starting to become inauthentic, where I'm no longer allowing me to be like I am, and I'm not allowing you to dislike me. And the weird thing is that the things that we change are things that we don't like. It's not necessarily what other people don't like, it's what we don't like. And that is happening because of an identifying with a side of you that you don't own, that you don't want to be the way that they are. And therefore you think that you need to be cautious for other people not to see through that. And that leads back to what I said, that is also about the things that you don't like about you, the things that you think that you need to change for you to be okay the way that you are. And that is the foundation of the ego, the I am not, I should be, where we have so much focus on diverting our attention from what is right now into what we hope or wish will happen in the future that is different from what is now. And the only thing it does is just kind of manifest the discontent that we have with what it is right now. If you want to look into where the self is, the one that you perceive as the self, then the best way, the shortcut to do it, is to what I started by saying, that you know that all the thoughts that are going on, those are thoughts, but the one thinking the thoughts is a thought too. That is kind of the shortcut to come into the knowledge that there is no separate self, that there is no you,